Alright, so a bit of an update on the car. All the sheet metal work is done. Aluminum panels I made to dress up the firewall, as well as the battery tray area, and on this side where the evap tray was. Seam sealer, paint after primer, gloss black a bunch of different stuff like the strut towers, brake booster, POR 15 on the K-member, welded in a tow hook. Sent my steering box out to be rebuilt. Sorry for its darkness here. And just today, the motor arrived. It's a Dart SHP block, 406 cubic inch, with the Dart Pro 1 heads, Edelbrock air gap intake, Cali's Compstar crank, Molly pistons, roller cam, roller rockers, Holley Sniper, MSD billet distributor, 1/68 tooth SFI flex plate. Rings are gapped for nitrous, about a 200 shot, which will come in the future. Double row timing gears. So that's the next project, is getting that in this car. And then all the wiring fun begins. Holley Sniper comes with the handheld display. Lots of wires to make sense out of, oxygen sensor, and the old motor over there. I'll be reusing the power steering pump, but I got a new water pump. Using the old starter, it's a mini starter, and some of the bracketry for now. I also have on order throttle cables from Locar, kickdown cable or TV cable from Locar, some dipsticks for the trans, and oil pan. I made my own brake lines and moved the line lock away. It used to be way over here out in the open. I got rid of the proportioning valve, combination valve, and I have an adjustable one underneath the car. So it's just a very clean, simple brake setup. I use nickel copper. And I'll be running my junction block distribution center right over there. I got a radiator coming as well. Champion 2-row radiator, so parts are coming in. The biggest thing is going to be getting that motor in this car and then starting to sort out what I need to make it work, wiring wise, plumbing wise, fuel lines, and so forth. That's it for now.